One thing is for certain and two things is for sure. Walmart I go keep. You hear me say? Walmart I go keep. Me say it don't really matter what kind of weather. I could have boiling sun, I could have flood rain, or I could have snowstorm. Walmart is going to be Walmarting. When me say Walmart won't be slowing down for nothing. Walmart is going to be Walmarting. Me say no snowstorm, no flood rain, no hot sun. When me say Walmart is going to be Walmart, me say Walmart coming like a grand market. You know, Jamaica Christmas Eve grand market. Walmart coming like a grand market. Walmart not slow down for nothing. Walmart not slow down for nobody. Walmart not slow down for no weather. Walmart is going to be Walmarting. Walmart is always keeping. Walmart is always keeping. You hear me say? Walmart is always keeping. Believe me, no man.